Hi YouTube, welcome to the recap of the third week of our fourth year of medical school. And it'll probably be one of the best weeks of fourth year medical school because we actually spent it on a week of vacation. So at our school we have a total of 8 weeks vacation and we saved it all up for our fourth year, and then you can kind of use it in between all the different, within your different rotations and planning that out. So you can either take it all at once or split it up. It's kind of your choice. And so we chose to take a week of vacation after our boards, and that was awesome. We didn't have anything on us to think about studying. We took our boards on that Saturday. We drove up that night and spent Sunday at John's family's cabin up in northern Minnesota, and it was awesome. It was like perfect weather. It was probably in like the upper 70s and 80s, low 80s, and like no breeze. And I don't like when I know some people like a little breeze, but it was just sunny and it was perfect. And we spent, let's see, what did we do? We went into the little town and went to a old, bookstore, kind of half-priced books, and let's see, what else did we do? We spent just time outside. His dad had gotten a new boat, and so we tried water skiing, and that was really fun. I actually got up, and it was fun. I didn't get too far, but it was awesome. And just kind of relaxed, kept it really simple. We It was just awesome. Then we went into my family's cabin again in northern Minnesota, but it was like, I think like an hour and a half, 2 hours away. And that's where we spent from Wednesday through Sunday morning. And that was great. My family was up there, and then also my mom's side of the family, so her sister and brother and her mom, so my grandma, we all went up to my parents' cabin. And so it was kind of like a little family reunion. Most of my cousins were there, all of them except two, and one of my aunts wasn't there, but that's it. Everyone else was there, and it was so fun. We went out, and I have four younger girl cousins, and they all fished. I didn't want to spend the money on a fishing license, but I got to watch them fish. And John took the jet skis around, and with the little girls, they went water tubing on the back, and they just loved it. See, otherwise, just hung out, kind of laid out in the sun, read books. I finished an awesome book. It's called like The Secret Life of C.C. Wilkes. I finished that at John's cabin, and I finished another book I was reading there, and I started a whole other book, and I'm partway through that book at my cabin. So I've just been doing some fun reading and just hanging out with family, playing games. We roasted hot dogs over the fire. We did s'mores almost every night, I think. And I mean, just really didn't leave the cabin, just hung out with family, and it was just really fun. And then we ended it on Sunday. John and I left early, so like we had a lot of driving ahead of us to our next rotation, and we had to figure it out because we won't be back to like our home base where all our stuff is for at least 2 more months. And so packing, we had to figure it out. We had to bring two of our vehicles and like pretty much put all of the stuff in those cars, and we had to pack up in our little car everything we needed for at least the next month. And so all of our clothes and different bedding and towels and some food and just all of our medical stuff, everything had to be packed into our little car. So that was interesting, but we did it. And then we drove to our next rotation, and they were expecting us Monday morning, but most people come from the larger city in our state, which only takes like 2.5 hours to get here. So they would just leave that Monday morning and come with all their stuff. But we were driving from like 8 hours away. And so we're like, oh, I don't know how we can do that. So we talked to our doctor, and he wanted us to come early anyways on Sunday to go over the electronic health record with him. And so we ended up staying at his house, and it was really fun. We went out with his family. We went out to a Mexican restaurant and had some food, and then he wanted to talk to us about rotations and such. And so we went out on his boat around a lake and just chatted and got a tour of the town from the lake, which was fun. And then went to his clinic and got up to date on all of the electronic health records. So this next 4 weeks is going to be the beginning of our family med rotation. And it's our first family med rotation of our 4th year, and we have 2 of these that are required by our school. And what's extra special about this one is John and I have never been on the same rotation together. We've been together at, I think, 2 different sites, or at least we're in the same hospital and see each other and sleep in the same room and, live together. And there's been other rotations where we've at least lived at kind of our home base with the family together, even though we might be practicing in different cities or different hospitals. But this is the first one where we actually share the same preceptor, and it'll be interesting. So anyways, that is the recap of our 3rd week of our 4th year medical school.